Hey guys, check this out. Light, powerful, magnetized, foldable, many adjustments. It's powerful. Now, get on that code, get your friend's phone, hit that code. You can go up to the website or Keratin RX. Our website, Keratin RX. Okay? And it comes in a beautiful, handsome package. Look at this. Look how beautiful that is. And you have the diffuser also. So it's powerful, it's beautiful, it's light, and 1 year warranty. $300 a piece, okay? And for those salon owners, if you want a special price, you let me know. I'll take care of you. From one hairdresser to another, all right?